This is a brand new 2013 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, roof rails, cruise control, latch-ready child seat anchors, a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a rear window defroster, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a remote entry system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.